Welcome to MRL. In this learning session, we'll be learning about the divisibility test. Divisibility test means to find out if a given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 11. So let us understand this. Now, divisible by 2. To check if a number is given number is divisible by 2, just check the digit in the units place. If the digit in the units place is 0 or multiple of 2, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, the number 7892 is divisible by 2 because the digit in the units place is 2. Therefore, the numbers with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in units place are all divisible by 2. Rather, remember that if the digit in the units place is divisible by 2, then the number is divisible by 2. So 7892 is divisible by 2 because the digit in the units place is divisible by 2 or is a multiple of 2. Now, divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. That means if I take 7221 is a number, 7221 is a number. If I add these digits, 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3 and therefore the number 7221 is divisible by 3. Therefore a number, the sum of the digits of which are divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3, and it's very clear to us. Now next is divisible by 4. To find out if a given number is divisible by 4, then check the end digits, the end two digits. If the end two digits is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. That means 1936 or 1936 is divisible by 4 because 36 is divisible by 4. Therefore, in a given number, if the number found by units and tens digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Therefore, 1936 is 100% divisible by 4, which we have seen here. The remainder is 0. Now divisible by 5. A number with 0 or 5 units place is divisible by 5. Now in this number, 5 is the digit in the units place. Even if it had been 0, this number would have been divisible by 5. Therefore, a number with 0 or 5 units place is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if 2 times unit digits when subtracted from the remaining digits is divisible by 7. Now what is the meaning of this? Now in this number 1071, if I multiply 1 by 2 and subtract it from 107, I get 105. Now again multiply 5 by 2 and subtract it from 10, I get 0, 0. If the remainder is 0, or if the remainder is 0, or if it is a multiple of 7, then the given number is divisible by 7. So the method is very simple. Take the last digit, multiply it by 2, subtract from 107. Then the remainder what you get is 105. From again take the digit 5 and then again multiply by 2, subtract it. If you get 0 or multiple of 7, then the number 107 is, that means any number rather, is divisible by 7. Now divisibility by 8. In a number, if the last 3 digits, 416 here in this case, so the last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So in the number 1416 is divisible by 8 because the last 3 digits 416 is divisible by 8. Now divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. For example, 5283, we do not know whether it is divisible by 9. Just add the digits 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3, we get 18. 18 is divisible by 9 and therefore the number 5283 is divisible by 9. Remember that. Now divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digits in the odd places when subtracted from sum of digits in the even places, the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11. Now what is the meaning of that? Now let us take one example, 1331. Add the digits here in the odd number of places and even number of places. So 1 plus 3 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Again here this is please add 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of the digits in the odd places, when subtracted from sum of the digits in the even places, the difference is 0 or multiple of 11. So therefore be careful of adding. 1 has to be added to 3 and 1 has to be added to 3. Now there are 4 digits here. 1 and 3 are in odd position, and here also 1 and 3 are in the odd, this is in the even position, and therefore 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, and therefore the number 1331 is divisible by 11. Remember that. Now this is up to 11. We can even go for other digits, but for for basic study, this much of divisibility tests are enough for us to apply to check whether the given number is divisible by the given number. Okay, please remember this and use it whenever it is necessary. Thank you.